being an embedded systems engineer, I think I will have like opportunities all around.
Do you already know what you can become with this master, and can you give example for this?
As far as I see, because I'm specializing in vehicle dynamics and control, I'm really liking the control theory, specifically because my thesis right now is optimal control. So I really see working as a control engineer, but of course I started it from my master, so it will take me some time to be good at it.
For me, as I choose smart vehicles, my dream is working in a company like Tesla or something like this. It's my dream, and I hope I will be there.
Yeah, actually with this master you can be an engineer, or you can even go through research and development engineer, or make scientific research about innovations in the domain. It either can be controls or automotive, or yeah, any of these stuff is.
I would like to continue my career in a more research environment, if that's possible. I'm going to try to keep on my studying and do a doctorship. I will at least try that. However, even if that doesn't work out for me, being an embedded systems engineer, I think I will have like opportunities all around. At the moment, embedded systems is something that is kicking off pretty hard in the industry.
There are enough opportunities to get a good job, which I like, and I think it's going to be somewhere in process development, optimizing production processes at companies or whatever. But that's just for the future, and I haven't really thought about it yet.